It's so sad. The Hippy food truck has been abandoned. We're about 6 kilometers short of San Juan de Ortega, and there's a 12-kilometer stretch through a little mountain, and there's all these cute little totem poles. There used to be logs over there, seat to sit on, nice wide area, and anyway, no one here anymore. It must be a tough business just to rely on the pilgrims. It looks like the really the successful cafes, bars, cafes, whatever you want to call them, really have a majority of their business from the local pueblo. But anyway, here's this. It's a nice rest stop still. Nice messages and cute totem poles. Look at these. Look at these guys. All right, someone's got an imagination. Also a good bathroom break back there if anybody needs it. That's it for now.